A microwave digester is used for sample pretreatment in various laboratories. It ensures quick and low-loss digestion with minimal reagent consumption and pollution. The unit includes software-based temperature control and visual temperature curves. Its chamber rotates continuously to provide uniform microwave exposure for all samples. The standard configuration includes digestion vessels, jackets, a turntable, and an acid evaporator. Suitable for institutions and inspection agencies, this instrument improves digestion consistency and operational safety.